you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Hi, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kiana. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button as well. This video is basically me trying to dye my hair pink, but it's not going to turn out that way. As you can see in the thumbnail, it ended up being orange, or like a ginger brown chocolate. I don't know what color this is, but it didn't turn out right. So I'm not going to talk too much on this part. I'm basically going to be doing a bleach bath, and I'm not going to lie, y'all, I thought I messed this up because this is my first time doing a bleach bath. I usually just like dye it with the brush like onto the hair, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So it turned out right. I just had to do it twice. It was taking forever for me to lighten the hair. And I think it was because I put too much water in the mix, but whatever. I got a color and that's all that matters. I'm not going to stress about it because I still have some dye to use for another wig. And I feel like I just have to just go with hair that's already blonde. Just buy a blonde wig, blonde bundles or whatever, and dye it that way, because bleaching is already a hard process on the hair and I didn't want to mess it up. So yeah. And if you see me constantly pressing my remote, I was watching this YouTube video on how to do the bleach bath, and like I kept missing the parts where she was actually explaining how to do it because I was so focused on how to do mine. But yeah, and you're gonna see me kind of like hesitate with some of these parts because I wasn't sure if I was doing it right. My sister was in the room with me. She was like, I don't think you're supposed to do that. And I was like, no, I'm doing it right. Come to find out, I was, I didn't really do it right. But it's good, Alright, so I'm just going to blend that in, mix it all together until the chunks of bleach are gone. You don't want any clumps of bleach because every spot is going to be different. You want everything to be even. Even though I do have kind of like a highlighted look in my hair, that wasn't the plan, but it still came out right. But, if you don't want that look, then make sure you, either just continue to check on your hair, move it around in the bleach every so and so. And I left this hair for like 50 minutes and it still did not lighten up the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. It's all right. And I'm going to put aluminum foil on top as well. And whenever it's finished, I'm going to come back and show you guys the look. ahead and address this now before anyone get on my case. I know this wig is too far on my forehead, but the glue already dried. The glue is dry, you know what I'm saying? And if I wasn't finna start over because I was tired, it was late, and it didn't look too bad to the point where it was just like, okay, like, that's too far. But I could have brought it back a little bit more. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I don't like my wigs all the way back, but I don't like them all the way, you know, that far up. But it didn't look too bad. Like, it was kind of in between. So I was just like, you know, forget it. Forget it. You know, it don't look too bad. You know what I'm saying? But before y'all say anything, I am aware. Okay, I am aware. overall though, this is like a 3-month update. I think it's 2 months though, but this hair is amazing. This is like my favorite frontal unit I've ever had, y'all. I have had this hair for so long and it has never did me wrong. Like, the frontal is still full, everything is just amazing. So, and also, if you haven't watched my unboxing video with this wig, it will be on my channel, and I will put the link down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.